Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 16, and today we are looking at how to enter a line break in Excel in a cell. So, for example, here I have my first sentence, then I have a blank line here and another sentence in the same cell. So, how do you do that? Sometimes people try to do that by maybe entering in a new cell, but this won't look nice if you want to do a report on one page where you are showing everything one row at a time. And now if you want to enter this, it will now be 2 rows. And at the same time also, if you see my first sentence here, it's just a continuous sentence. It looks like just one big sentence, but there are actually two sentences. So how do you then enter paragraphs within the same Excel cell? So when you are typing, for example, here I can type my. Then once I'm done with the first sentence, what I can do is I can then press, or you can press Alt Enter. Whilst you are pressing your Alt, you just push Enter. Then here you can see my cursor is already at the bottom here. But because I want to leave a space between paragraphs, I can press Enter again for the second time while still pressing my Alt. Then I can start typing the second sentence here. Thank you. Bye-bye.